In October 2014, my wife was coming back from an event that the Progressive Network sponsored about Medicaid expansion in Conway. And in the little town of Turbeville, the blue lights came on and she was pulled over and advised that she had been speeding and given a ticket. And she admits she was speeding. The speed limit's 35 and she was exceeding it. And I threw it up on my desk to take care of it, made a note on the calendar to take care of it in time. And when that date showed up on my calendar, I pulled the ticket up and in as much as I'm fairly familiar with legal proceedings, wanted to look up what they charged her with. And the statute that said in the ordinance was 13-22. Well, that doesn't look like a state statute number. What is that? And I did some research on it, and it was like opening this huge can of worms that I was stunned that I didn't even know about. I'd heard about speed traps before, and I'd heard about Turbeville speed traps, but I didn't know that basically what it was highway robbery, organized crime. The Uniform Traffic Act was passed to prevent municipalities from establishing their own traffic laws. And what Turbeville is doing, and what my wife was arrested for, was violating a town safety ordinance. 75% of Turbeville's budget comes from this highway robbery scheme that the police raised nearly $1 million, and the town's budget's $1.4 million. And that the money that they gather from the people that they stop pays the 3 officers that they have, pays the mayor, pays the judge. So the judge is helping raise her own salary. And so, of course, the judge said in court, I'm comfortable with the ordinance. And so it's really a peculiar circumstance, and unfortunate, I think, when citizens have to step up and do the job that I believe the state attorney general should be doing.